distributed in different orbits. There are neutrons, protons, and electrons. Electrons moving around the nucleus. Protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus. The maximum number of electrons is present in a shell is given by the formula 2n2, where n is the orbit number or energy level index 1, 2, 3. Hence, the maximum number of electrons in different cell are as follows. The first orbit K shell will be 2 into 1 square equal to 2. Second orbit L shell will be 2 into 2, 2 square, 8. Third orbit M shell 2 into 3, 3 to the 6, 9. And fourth orbit N shell will be 2 into 4, 4 square equal to 32. Number of protons equal to number of electrons. On the nucleus, neutrons and protons are present and electrons moving around the nucleus. N is the mass of the atom, therefore it is given by sum of the mass. J. Chadwick discovered another subatomic particle, that is the neutron. There is no charge and mass nearly equal to that of the proton. It was eventually named as neutron. Neutron are present in the nucleus of all the atoms. And first cell is known as K cell and second cell is known as L cell. The maximum number of electrons in each cell is 2n2. Okay, and the electrons are not accommodated in a given cell unless the inner cell are filled. That is the cell are filled in a stepwise manner. That is K cell, L cell, M cell, and N cell. K cell 2 into 1 square, N is 1 and 2 equal to 2. And L cell 2 into 2 square, then 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 8, 4 to the 8. L cell equal to 8. And M cell 2 into 3 square. 3 square means 3 3 is a 9. 9 to the 18. And N equal to 2 into 4 square. 4 4 is a 16. 16 to the 32. For example, carbon, it has 6 electrons. Shell K has 2 electrons. Shell L has 4 electrons. We have to 4 electrons are distributed in a L cell and 2 electrons are distributed in a K cell. And protons and neutrons are present inside the nucleus. Calcium. The calcium